optimizing Solidworks PDM implementation. A Fortune 100 medical equipment manufacturer was facing repeat issues with their Solidworks PDM system. Engineers and design teams were getting blocked, workflows were being interrupted, and users had too much access, which led to accidental changes and delays. At first, it looked like a permissions problem, but SPK found the real issue: inconsistent PDM training. New hires were learning from scattered online materials with no clear process for workflows, permissions, or custom add-ins. So instead of just fixing tickets one by one, SPK built a role-based PDM training program with practical PowerPoints, customized guidance, and updated permission groups. Using existing permission data and historical SQL data, SPK helped the company make smarter access decisions and prevent recurring workflow issues. The result? Support tickets dropped from 9 per month to just 1. Workflow interruptions decreased by 60%. And the improved training saved the company hundreds of dollars per day while helping teams work with fewer distractions. With SPK support, this Fortune 100 manufacturer moved from constant PDM interruptions to a more efficient, better trained, and more controlled system.